one of the strategic elements. And I think it's really important that we take ourselves as leaders or founders not too serious. We bring value and we need to see where we bring value, but the company doesn't depend on or should not depend on us.
It reminds me of an interview I had in my other podcast, Starting Why, with a person who was a high-ranking employee at an American-based tech company, and he had his first heart attack in his early 40s because he just completely lacked sleep. But I also realized this in myself when I started out as an entrepreneur. In the first half year, there was at least one day a week where I worked until midnight. I've cut this considerably. Plus, the rule is also for me, I don't work on weekends. And I realized if you put in like 4, 5, 6 additional hours at night in the evening, the next day is even less productive. And then you need more. It's kind of a vicious cycle. And that's something I also tend to break by working maximum until 10 p.m. starting not too early, and of course having some free time talking to other people, because if you only sit in front of your laptop, you won't get any good ideas, especially if you're very tired. And so basically, who's the soundproof boxes are the show of your wife, if I understand correctly. So exactly, we kind of skipped it. Just one question: when we are at your place at home, would there be a soundproof booth for phone calls somewhere?
No, but there's these little bits and bobs that came out of it. Like you would find a little shelf or something that is out of a prototype of a booth and so on. So we renovated our apartment ourselves.